What's up? It's currently today, Friday, 8 p.m. And you may be wondering, what am I doing at 8 p.m. speaking to the camera? It all starts with my friend who I was supposed to go have dinner with today. He cancelled on me last night. So what are we gonna do? One thing that I've really wanted to do lately, create a Chrome extension. And I think Chrome extensions are really great because it integrates with what you're already using. So I don't need to get somebody to go download a new app or come to my website. It already integrates with your daily workflow. So what's the idea? I don't know about you, but my girlfriend loves to do affirmations. And that's basically when you just repeat a certain phrase to help you, and it's supposed to bring you loads of success and wealth. Low key, I think it does work. She currently pays £5 for this app called I Am to just basically send her daily notifications. My thinking is that I can make a Chrome extension that integrates with Chrome and actually shows you affirmations. And the good thing about this is that, you know, if you're into affirmations, it's all about subconscious programming.
How did you know who he was gonna pick?
We told him to.
We've been priming him, programming his subconscious. He's been seeing the number 55 all day long. He looks out the window, primers are everywhere.
And so what I think I'm gonna be able to do with this extension is inject affirmations into different parts of a website so you subconsciously see it. So as you're reading through some, I don't know, BBC News or like going through your Facebook or LinkedIn, I wanna just see some affirmations so that my mind is subconsciously seeing it. That's the idea. Might be worth noting, I've never built a Chrome extension before, so this is all gonna be new, but I think it's gonna be a fun learning experience. Let's see how it goes. First thing I'm gonna do is just go onto the Chrome developer documentation and check it out and see how to basically build a basic structure. See, to create a Chrome extension, there's a few things you have to have. You need to have this manifest file, which is just basically stating all the metadata of your Chrome extension. And you can have just that file and you technically have a Chrome extension. But you typically want to do some more interesting stuff. So what I've also added is a popup.html file here, and that's going to be when you click on the Chrome extension icon, that's going to be the thing that pops up. Now, that's what I've learned and that's what I think happens. So what we're going to do is create a Chrome extension which allows you to add your affirmation, basically scan through all web pages and every so often slot in one of the affirmations that you added from the list. Should be pretty simple. Yes! Oosh! Check this out. So I was able to edit the text onto the page. Look at this. You can see that it doesn't usually say I am a millionaire, but that is something I've now changed so that you're able to do. Check that out. And you can see here I've added some extra stuff like people love to pay me, money loves me. I completely get these affirmations might seem a bit weird, but this is like what you would tend to say as an affirmation, so I wanted to keep it as realistic as possible. I don't know why, I have this thing where when I'm coding, I know a lot of people like to listen to lo-fi pop or some classical music. One thing I really enjoy is playing like an entire band's set. So at the moment I'm listening to the 1975 and I'm listening to their full live concert, which was filmed by somebody in the audience. Bear in mind, who is filming a concert for 2 hours? Like, this concert is 2 hours and 40 minutes. That means they've just held their camera and filmed the entire concert. Crazy. Anyway, absolutely love you for it because that's what I like to listen to when I'm coding. In case you didn't know, in my day job, I'm a solutions architect, which basically means we come up with solutions in the cloud for our customers. So typically I don't do as much like programming like I am now, but that's exactly why I want to do these sort of projects because it means that I can actually build some stuff, have some fun at it. And you know what, I would say that because as I was sort of building this and, you know, getting parts of it to work, I would just now subconsciously see so many different parts of the site that just says I'm a millionaire, and I feel it. I feel the subconscious programming working. Oh my god, it's so cool. I've got like a Chrome extension icon. It's quite cool. Look at this. Don't judge me. I'm not. Oh, let me get some light. It's quite cool. I've got like an actual Chrome like icon that's in the browser. Like, kind of cool. But got it working. It doesn't look the best. This is what it currently looks like. You're able to add affirmations. What's a good affirmation? I am healthy. Click submit. Boom. I were, for example, to go through a list. For example, if I were to go for my random web page, obviously Stack Overflow, you can see here, people love to pay me. Where else can we see some stuff? The funny thing is, it can actually be anywhere. Anyway, that's the sort of idea about how it works. Like we're being able to add data, add text input to this nice pop-up. Ugly pop-up, but we'll make it nice, I promise. And it just, you know, throws it all around the web page. All right, let's try and make it look nice. Now, I think I've made some really good progress. It's really exciting. I'm now gonna go make some food because I am starving. All right guys, it looks like we've got a can of baked beans. There's so much food in the pantry, but I just don't know how to cook like most of this. Like, what am I gonna do with this? I guess just eat it. Mmm, crunchy. I've got some rocket, I've got some sausages. Welcome to a quick programmer's dinner. That's like a... Here I am cooking a full English breakfast for dinner. How British do I actually want to be? I'm not even British. This is, truly a one-pot pan. Some extra greens just to make it really healthy. So, quick recap, what have we done so far? Built like the core functionality, you're able to add affirmations. As soon as you add affirmations, it will scan web pages and change the text to add your affirmations onto the web page. The thing I would really recommend when building these projects is to use the new AI tools like GitHub Copilot, Amazon Whisperer, ChatGPT. They're such a big enabler to help me like move faster. You know, some people might think, oh, AI is gonna steal software engineering jobs. It's not, it's there to just like enable you. It's currently midnight. We've been coding at it all evening and finally the muse comes home.
Yeah.
Do you think lots of girlies are gonna use it for affirmations?
I think that tech CEOs are going to use it for affirmations because, as you know, as any athlete or CEO will know, half the job is mindset.
There we go. We've got our first 100 customers. I've been working on the design of the app to try and make it look better. Bear with me, I've been using Figma to create some prototypes, and this is what we've come up with. This is the idea for the app. We're gonna have a nice simple page like this, which just means that you can add all your new affirmations, and it just shows like a nice list. And then we're gonna have like some settings page here. Super simple, super basic, but that's exactly who we're trying to target. Thank you all for joining me on my journey. We're gonna continue the series tomorrow. I've already started working on the payment bit, which is really cool. So make sure to come check out the next episode where we do the big reveal. Then we're gonna look at doing like a marketing of this app and seeing how far we can take this. Good night, thank you for joining me on Friday evening.